What is up? It is Ronald McDonald here from the Life Regenerator Show on YouTube. I could have cut these up and save us all a lot of time. Today, I'm not really trying to save a lot of time. I'll do some quicker videos in the future. It's not that great for my business. It should be like 6 or 7 minutes on YouTube for maximum audience retention. And probably talking about things that people care about. But anyways, I got my fans because I'm Dan the Man with the master plan. And I'll probably be until I'm 90 years old up here. Eat your pineapples, Brandon Raymond's goddamn camera. Get your shit together, Sonny. What's wrong with you? Anyways, I wanted to show you these because everyone's just stoked out of their mind about the Hawaiian pineapples. Yes, I don't even eat pineapples on the mainland. So I was like, okay, boom, shaka, uh-oh. This one might even be a little too far gone. It's a little too far gone. Sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't. This one might just be, you know what though? You just never know that you gotta try a piece. Cause I'm telling you, look, you might think it's gone, but sometimes when it's like this, it just means it is truly a ripe pineapple. I had one of these the other day. I thought, okay, this is surely bad, but it really wasn't. It was surely good. But you gotta find out by taking a little snack bite. So here we go, let's find out. Oh, I'm thinking we might be over the edge here. You know, yeah. That's too bad, man. $7 waste. It's all right. Hopefully this next one's legit. Let's find out. Okay. Oh, this one's looking a little well done too. That is funky. I don't think this one's as done, man. If I waste two, yeah. Man, these are too ripe, dude. I'm bummed out, man. I'm gonna have to go get my money back from that farmer. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm tripping. It's not like that bad. Because I had one like this the other day and it was good. But I'm just tripping. Maybe I'm smelling the cutting board. It's like, yeah, the cutting board is funky. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't throw that one away. Let me see here. I smell the cutting board, but not on this one. This one smells fine. So I think it's the cutting board because I can smell. The cutting board is not cool. I don't know, bro. Seems pretty good, man. You know, the worst that's gonna happen, your boy gets drunk. Like the elephants. Dude, I'm thinking it's okay. Let me test this out again, bro. See, it don't really, it's like, it tastes good, man. It tastes legit. Let me see what in the world is going on here. Go right to the heart of it. Cut a piece right out of the heart, out of the most ripest part. That one's a little, it's not that bad though. It doesn't taste fermented or anything. You know what? F it. I mean, I just ate all that. I mean, it's good. Bro, it's tripping, dude. It's the weirdest video in the world, but you know, it's also extremely educational. If you really can see like what's happening here, you gotta. It's so ripe, but it's not gone. This will have to be drank like today. I'll put this in the fridge. I think it's good. I'm tripping. Screw it. Going for it. The cutting board tastes weird for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to like regenerate it or something. Here we go, pineapple. So yeah, I'm just putting the outer edge on. Anyways, this is kind of a little bit of a weird video, but I may not post it, but I might post it too. I was like, what the hell? I mean, the content, my 1,000 hardcore viewers will watch it. If I have a really cool video title, I'll get like 2,000 views. If I just have your basic thing, I get like 1,000 views, you know. So I think I have like 1,000 hardcore DTM viewers, you know. I think it's fine, man. So these are the raw food lessons. Because you know, you ain't never gonna find on the mainland. You'll find bad ones, but you won't find ones that are sun ripened like that. Because these just got picked this morning. When they're freshly picked, you can see how clean. It's got carrot on it now, but you see how clean the bottom is. It only takes a day or two for it to start molding. I love it when they're freshly picked. It's like that's the most highest vibration. Not sure this video was a winner, but you know what? You know, sometimes the outtakes are educational also. You know, you gotta pick your food, man. I mean, I'll try a little taste tester after this. I mean, this one right here, carrot, pineapple, coconut is the next level. Ooh, the next level. God, it's good. Life is good, baby. Life is good. We're blessed. So what you do is you bring the juice over here. Man, that is the right pineapple. Anyhow, you know, some things flow more smoothly than others. And that one was more like a weird, because those were some gorgeous looking pineapples on the outside. But maybe too damn good, you know? Excuse me. Oh, there's I taste the herbal blood. I just had my herbal blood with my lunch. So I have juice for breakfast, juice for lunch, and juice for dinner. I'm on the Puritan protocol for life. That's figuratively and literally. The life in your food it's the life in your food. You want the live food, baby. Ooh, we got a mess to clean up now. So yeah, I just leave the peel on with these ones. This is old school, organic, dankety, true pineapples, man. And then all this stuff on the outside, all the microbes that are growing on the outside of pineapple are very, very good for you. Legit. Legit. Okay. Looks like, yeah, we're damn close to 2 quarts exactly. I'll tell you what though, it's gonna make a heck of a photo shoot because I got the orange, the yellow, then I got the oranges coming, then I'll do the watermelon, do a little photo shoot, and then I'll get famous on Facebook. 2 quarts, exactly. Cool, cool. So, oh, I just had a little message from somebody. I don't know who, but. If I can't have you, I don't want nobody, baby. If I can't have you, Let me see how it is. I mean, bro. Kind of pretty much the nectar of the gods, if you know what I mean. That is legit. But that needs to be cooled off and drank today because otherwise but this is, I mean, it's legit. I mean, we just had that was a really real thing. So I'm like, damn, that doesn't make you look like you got your steel together or whatever. But it's like, actually, that was real. It was so real. I'm so real on Instagram. Oh my God, I'm so real. That was real. So we had a real one. You're one of the real ones. DTM, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hanging out with me on the real videos where things don't go smoothly, but I don't edit. I could, but I don't. So I just do it. It's done. Okay? Awesome. Peace.